What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple and delicious street style palm oil sauce. This sauce is so good, it is finger licking good, and it goes perfectly well with boiled or roasted yam or plantain. Like I said, it is very simple, so let me show you the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using 3 tomatoes. You don't need a lot of tomatoes because it's actually a pepper sauce. Using 3 habanero pepper, salt, seasoning cube, palm oil, and a large onion. So I'm just gonna slice and dice them. I am using only 3 habanero peppers because it is a very hot pepper. But if you are using any pepper that's not really hot, you can use more. Just for a reference, these 3 habaneros are enough to cook a pot of soup that you would consider spicy. When I'm done with the peppers, I'm gonna dice the tomatoes and onion. So if this is your first time on my channel or you're a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Let me also use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. Like I said earlier, you do not need a lot of tomatoes to make this sauce because the dominant flavors come from the pepper, onion, and the palm oil. In fact, some people call this pepper sauce because it is supposed to be spicy. I am using 1 large onion. This onion is really very big. So if you're using smaller or medium onions, you have to use more because onion is one of the dominant flavors. So the more onions you use, the better. This video is supposed to be part of the roasted yam or bole video, but I don't want the video to be too long, so I decided to make a video only on the sauce. So if you're interested in knowing how to roast yam and bole at home, I'm gonna leave the links in the description box. You can check them out later if you're interested. Look at the volume of the onion. You can tell it is more than the tomato and the pepper put together. I am sure you guys have noticed that all the veggies I cut are going into a bowl. It is because I'm going to cook them at once. This is one of the differences between palm oil sauce and palm oil stew. In a pan, I'm going to pour in about 2 cups of palm oil. You can use as much palm oil as you want. I'm gonna be cooking this over medium low heat, and I'm not gonna wait for the oil to heat up before adding the veggies. The veggies are gonna cook slowly and this will enhance the flavor. Crush in the seasoning cube and add salt to taste. Stir it and let it slow cook. You will only need to stir it a few times because it is slow cooking. That's why I said at the beginning that it is a very easy recipe but extremely delicious. What I have noticed among a lot of food vendors that sell roasted yam or bole, they actually cook this over the charcoal that they use to roast the yam and plantain. They just let it sit there while it cooks slowly and they stir it once in a while. Though it cooks slowly, but the sauce should be ready within 30 minutes. So this is 30 minutes later, the sauce is ready and it tastes so amazing. Enjoy your finger licking sauce with your roasted yam or with your roasted plantain, popularly known as bole. If you want to know how I roasted the yam and the bole at home, the link is in the description box. So now that you know how to make the palm oil sauce or pepper sauce, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it because it is very delicious and it tastes exactly like the one you buy from the streets. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.